In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Calendly to Shopify. Embedding Calendly directly into your Shopify store is a great way to let customers book calls or appointments without ever leaving your site. I'll walk you through the process step by step, and by the end, your Calendly scheduler will be live on your chosen page. First, log into your Shopify account and go to your main Shopify dashboard. This is the home screen where you normally manage orders, products, and customers. From here, look at the menu on the left-hand side and click on Online Store. This is where you control how your storefront looks and what content appears on your pages. Once you're in the Online Store section, you'll see your current theme. Click on the option that lets you edit your theme. This opens the theme editor, where you can visually customize different sections and templates of your store. In the theme editor, navigate to the page or template where you'd like your Calendly booking form to appear. This might be your home page, a contact page, or a dedicated booking page. When you're on the correct page layout, click on Add Section in the spot where you want Calendly to show up. A list of available section types will appear. From that list, choose Custom Liquid. This section type lets you insert custom code, which is exactly what we need for Calendly. After adding it, you'll see a new Custom Liquid block appear on the left-hand column. Click on that Custom Liquid section again so you can access its settings. Now, in the main editor area, you'll see a field labeled something like Liquid Code. Click into that field. This is where we're going to paste the embed code from Calendly in a moment, so just leave this tab open. Next, open a new tab and go to your Calendly account. Find the meeting type you want to embed on your Shopify store. Next to that meeting, click on the three dots to open more options. From the options, select Inline Embed. This tells Calendly you want the scheduler to appear directly on the page rather than as a pop-up. Calendly will guide you through a couple of quick screens. Click on Continue, and then you'll see a block of code that Calendly has generated for you. Click on Copy Code to copy that entire embed code to your clipboard. Now go back to your Shopify tab, to the Liquid Code field in the Custom Liquid section. Click inside that field and paste the Calendly code you just copied. You should see the full embed script appear in the box. Finally, in the top right corner of the theme editor, click Save. Shopify will update your theme with the new section. Once it's saved, preview the page to make sure your Calendly scheduler loads correctly and looks good on the page. And that's it.